We're looking for ideas because all of these look the same. There's another German tag. So maybe the German tag is the way to go because we're getting beat by the German company. What's your goal?
Our goal as a brand, because we're helping Coupe, we want to start selling at least 300 of these a month. Right now, if we pull up the report from Retail Analytics, we have some of the HDMI. This is one of the best sellers, to be honest, of the entire ASINs, the priority ASINs that we are taking care of right now. But for example, we sold the last month 28 units, which is very, very low. Of course, we have some extra, for example, 15 here on the other HDMI, but we need to sell way, way more. And I want to increase this because I really want to scale up this account. I think it's going to be huge because it has so much potential. We have a lot of reviews, which is very good because even though it's a very competitive niche, we have a very mature listing, which is a very big advantage, but we are not seeing the sales yet. So do you have any recommendations, maybe how we can like push a little bit harder on?
So let's take a look at the search result. And this is going to be harder to do in German. Do you speak German? Because I don't.
No,
Okay.
unfortunately, no.
Yeah. So take the keyword, whatever makes the most sense to you based on what you know,
Yeah,
and search it on Amazon. So no brand name. HDMI 2.1 might be the keyword. I don't know. You tell me.
HDMI cable. That's the main keyword, like this.
Okay. And let's see what everybody else is doing, right? So we just ranked at the top there. Is that us? The next one. We got Amazon Basics, then we have our ads. So first of all, cool that our ad's showing. That's great. Now let's just kind of poke around and look around, see what's going on. All right. So scroll down and see what else we see. So pretty common. You got keep going. You're going a little slow for me. Got the little German flag tag. All right. There's an angle we haven't looked at. Keep going.
That's interesting.
So if the product is a German company or if it's made in Germany, you might want to go that angle. Keep going. This is all pretty boring stuff. More German tag.
Yeah.
We're looking for ideas, right? Because all of these look the same. There's another German tag. So maybe the German tag is the way to go. Another German tag because we're getting beat by the German company with lots of coverage, right? I do like those red ones. Those look nice, but we can't obviously change the color of the product at this point. Another German tag. So German tag is probably why sales aren't growing. Because if you're a German dude, which one would you rather buy? Same price, same quality, German flag or no flag?
That's true. 100% German tag.
Okay. So if there's an opportunity, that's what I would do next because clearly the search results reflect that.
Yeah.
And people associate quality with German. Whether that's true or not, who knows? That's just perception. So that's an angle to think about. Besides that is price. How are we on price? Have you done a price analysis to see how we compare?
Yeah, we have a competitor research. Let me check this. So in the competitor research, what we find out is we are a luxury item against some of the other sellers. They're way cheaper than us.
Yeah. Why is our product higher quality?
Basically because of the features of our products. It's a very more durable cable against the competitors. Some of them, they're the typical Chinese HDMI cable. They break in 3 months. Our cable is superior than that. And the durable and also the quality that you can, when you connect it on the TV, the quality is 10 times better than the other products. That's one of our main features.
So go back to the listing.
Yeah.
Is that obvious on the listing?
Ultra high speed, durable.
Go back to the main image.
Yeah, here.
Ultra HD is present. Durability is not, right? So if we're at a higher price point, how do we show durability on the main image?
That's a good question. Yeah.
So maybe the HK 8K Ultra HD, which is cool, but maybe we need to have like packaging that says ultra durable in the main image, right? So do you have a shot of the packaging by chance?
No, we don't have a photo of the packaging, but we can definitely.
So obtain one and then Photoshop on the German word for high quality, right? And if we're German made, let's get the German flag in there.
Perfect. That's yeah, I like that. I think I can apply for all the products because some of them we are in progress on making the main image hack, so we can revamp all the main image hacks for sure. Thank you, Steven, for that.
Yeah, so that gives you a lead. Before we leave here, let's look at the keyword analysis. So click on the keyword button. So scroll down and click on the keyword button so I can see what Cerebro shows. Looks like your keep is overtaking up there to scroll up. And let's see what our indexing keyword distribution is. Okay, so it's light on paid ads. That's where you're going to find your growth. So you went from no ads to some ads. Now I need you to go from some ads to a lot of ads. Double the number of keyword targets. The golden keyword ratio is 1 paid to 2 organic. You are currently 1 to 4. So double the ads. On the organic side, I don't know if 1,000 is healthy for this category in German, but you did your competitor research. You know the answer to that already. So if we're lights on some organic keywords, figure out which ones we need to chase and compare and contrast against the competitors.
Yeah, this is the keyword distribution throughout 24 months. We started to add more since they advertised the product in December, January, and February, and they stopped advertising the product, and it went down on of course on some keywords, and we are trying to recover it back again, the keywords. And I'm adding some sponsor brand header keywords as well, placements, sorry. So we definitely, but we have this issue that we are not getting impressions on some of the products. That's why we have a lot of campaigns running, but for example, half of them are getting no impression, and I think that is affecting the backend here, and that's why it's not showing up that we have that much keywords right now. So I don't really know how to fix the impression issue.
So ads, impressions with the buy box ties in here, which makes sense. Are the keywords on the listing?
Yeah, all of the keywords. What I'm trying to do is all the SEO, I'm trying to put it on the keyword side as well, or for the PPC. So I'm creating campaigns for the same keywords that we are targeting on SEO, at least for phase 1 and phase 2.
Okay. Are the bids high enough? Have you looked at the paid reports where they show you your impression share?
Yeah, we have on some of the campaigns, we have the bids way higher than the competitors. We are not showing out because we are not getting the buy box.
I mean, 76 buy box percentage, you should still show up on more keywords. So based on my assessment, I think you have a lack of targets. I think you need more keyword targets. Make sure you spend more on broad and auto. So 80% of your budget should be on broad and auto campaigns. That usually throws people off when I say that high percentage. So having not looked at the campaign structure with you, my guesstimation is you're probably too focused on exact match.
Okay.
So go into the PPC campaign, see if you can massage some more auto and broad match targets. Let me know how that goes. I'm curious to see if I'm right on that hunch.
Sure. I'm going to definitely launch more campaigns. What we did is launch one auto campaign broad for each ASIN. So we have one per ASIN right now.
But you're going to need like 15 broad campaigns for each ASIN. So that's the problem. You need more targets. There's no question.
Makes sense.
I think that is the solution to your problem. If it's not, come back and let's talk more.